Are you starting to work with plastics people and are totally and completely lost by the acronyms, the callouts, the names, the jargon, and just want some help? I'm Ryan, the plastics guy, and I've been working in plastics for over a decade. Fortune 100 company all the way down to startups, molders, extrusion, and I've had just about every engineering function there is, from quality, design, manufacturing, assembly, and materials science. Here, I'm going to break you down the thermoplastics triangle so that you can understand what the heck's going on here at a high level, and we can take it to the next step in further videos. On screen here, what we have shown is what I refer to the thermoplastics triangle. As you can see, we have two buckets and categories, amorphous and semi-crystalline, and these are just two subsets of plastics here that are most common. On the one hand, you can see a temperature gradient, and we go from commodity plastics to engineering polymers to ultra high performance materials. In general, temperature performance also includes cost. At the top of the heap here, we have peak, which is a buzzword everybody likes to throw out. Very expensive, incredible performance, and should really only be used when necessary. At the opposite end of the spectrum, we have things like polypropylene, polyethylene, ABS, which are basically commodities that get sold in railcar volumes and are very cost effective. So using the right plastic at the right time is important. There's a million different acronyms and subsets of plastics here, but just to call out a few of the ones to differentiate, you're probably going to need to know about polypropylene, polyethylene, ABS, acetyl, written as POM. Nylon is polyamide, PA6, PA66. There's lots of other acronyms and versions of that, as well as polycarbonate. And then, like I said, we can step all the way up to PEAK, which is everybody's favorite top end polymer to talk about. So, this is the thermoplastics triangle. Hopefully, this gives you a fundamental level, and we can work through the different polymer families in future videos.